got another upgrade. Also, do you love this makeshift license plate colour? It's so hard to block it out or blur it like in editing, it's just long. But you've already seen last video, we switched to some aftermarket headlights. So far so good, I've not had any issues yet, touch wood. But I've done something else to the inside. Whilst I've not been uploading, I've been a bit busy. Look at this. So, I've got ambient lighting. Footwell lights, obviously you can't really see, but underneath here, underneath for the storage light. Class, I could change it on the application. There is some things that I need to like tweak, like I've not managed to push it all the way into the, whatever you call it, like the little panel gap. These are sick, especially at night time. Oh my God, it just changes the car. But this video isn't about that. This video is about these. So when I bought the car, I realised I've got a little wasp inside of here. The guy's been dead for probably age of this car, like 10 years. But we have some new ones. It's going to be interesting to change. Pretty sure it should actually be really, really easy. I think all I need is this 8mm, and I'm hoping it is because I've not really brought anything else. Quick unboxing. I've also not really thought this through either. Yeah, that'll do. Let's go. Ooh. Not seen them yet. Whoa. Aha. I always forget that they're two different like assemblies because you've got one here and then you've got the one on the actual there. We're gonna have a little issue because basically the new ones, they're meant to sweep and we're gonna have to run a cable behind this. Oh, fucked up. I need to be able to get behind here and I've not brought any tools. We'll see what we'll do, we'll see what we do. Yeah, so these are the extensions that it's gonna have to go all the way around. We've got different ones in case they don't fit, I think. I don't know. Let's have a look at it real quick. Oh, yes, these are gonna look, they go that way. These are gonna look so much better. Oh! We have to take out this. And then all we've got to do is we've got a connector in there. Oh, I should have brought a flat screwdriver. That connector looks well annoying to get to. Oh my lord. You have to like pull the red up, push the black in and pull it out. That is, yes! Oh, that isn't actually too bad. And then, if we just, I meant to unscrew that. I think that's what I read online. Fucking hell. Hammer? What? What time it is? YouTube time. Another rint, because we've not got any signal. We're already after an issue and it's so warm. It's like 27 Celsius. I've tried to find a bit of shade. We're next to a little pond. It's quite sick actually. Look at this. It's a little, it's a baby duck. Don't know, it's something. Oh my, nah, I saw a video, the guy was just, to be fair, I wasn't really paying attention. I just saw the fact that you got these twisty things. So I figured, oh yeah, should be easy. I don't know if that's getting easier or if I'm just getting stronger. What is the point of this then? Don't really want fancy braking it. Oh, apply the pressure there. Done. Look at this. Use some dash cockpit shine. Give it a good little wipe. It's through first, because otherwise I'm also going to get to it. Make sure they're not going like, no escaping. Trying to. Oh, shush. How can I put brake pressure on? There we go. If we just push that in, pull the tab out. Yes. Imagine it like drops in between the frame now. That'll be a bad day. How was it held on there? When I pushed into that metal thing, it pushed it out. Ah, from the corner. Right, that's filthy as well, Jesus. How does it actually get so bad behind you? There we go. Go on, pal. Right, let's connect the normal connectors together, which is just these two. Yep, red. Is that even lit, or am I just being a spaz? This one isn't lit. Like, I'm not being a spaz, that actually isn't lit. All I need to do is make sure it's got a connection between them. Right, you're speaking to each other now. Are you happy? You're not happy. Why are you not happy? Like, genuinely, why are you not happy? Well, this one isn't lighting up. And it's definitely connected, it's not like it's not. And that's lit up, and this one is doing fuck all. Like, it looks lit up there a second, but it's reflective. And that yellow wire isn't doing shit. But let's try the turn signal. Right, that's obviously working. Moment of truth with top one. This is going to be the decider. What the fuck? I am so confused. Like, why is that lit up but then that isn't? It's meant to be all the way around. And there's literally no light coming out of the other one. Mate, I'm baffled. I just need a way to press that brake pedal. That's definitely pressed in. Right, I've thought of a different plan again. Obviously the lights are on, well this one is. This one I can't even fucking see, I think it's on. What I could try fully install them, the other side as well, but where would I even get with that? There's no point. Do you know what I mean? Like, why is it not lit up? You know, two ducks are killing each other. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, hello, Duggar. God, I am actually so puzzled, lost for words. I've not even been commentating this video, I've just been fucking thinking. You fucking got to be joking me, right? Is that because the car's off? Please check the left brake, tail light. Yeah, it's not speaking to each other properly, is it? Ignition out. Ignition back in. Alright, you're going to throw up any error codes for me, pal. We're going to, I thought of this already, we'll set the phone up, try to see if I can record. Aye, they're lit up now. When did that happen? I'm speechless. Just playing tricks on me. And see what I can do with this wiring. But preferably it should go through this, but I also can't go through that at all. There's cables through there, but it's like underneath the fucking liner. I think I'm gonna do some work off camera. Probably end up in a different location because I'm definitely gonna need some tools for this. But so far so good technically. I'm gonna tighten these all up though because I don't want it flying off whilst I'm driving. And then let's see what happens at that point. Right, well I've managed to take out them. Turns out I just had to yank it. And then underneath, once again the same thing. But it's gonna be a bit of a pain to try to feed them little wires through all the way over here, but I do want it to look OEM, so progress has been made. I've managed to get the wire underneath through here. I've had to take these fucking clips out. That's been the hardest part, to put it through here because there's already obviously wires. Back out and then hopefully down this part and then God knows where from here. But this side is going to be even trickier because I've got all this here. So I need to remove this somehow. I don't know. Oh my God, I've actually managed to fucking do it. So basically the wire goes from underneath, goes behind this trim, inside one of these holes because I can't put it through this hole. Fed it through this tube, pain, come underneath, back round. It's going to go under this plastic and then there's a big gap behind there. That drops through, underneath, behind there, through here, back out, bosh. And now we just got to do the other side before we line everything up. I've ended up managing to wire it through, obviously duct taped it so it stays nice in place, wired it through underneath, background, underneath where it's meant to be. It's going to be completely hidden, you will not be able to see it at all, thank God. Everything's working, I've checked that, even obviously the screen wash working, obviously the wiper blade, because I thought I damaged some cables whilst I was taking these out, but luckily I've managed to not. Now it's just a case of putting these back on. This is number 1. I don't even know what it came off. Tell you what I don't know. So I've put this side on, I've put that side on, literally just clipped in. Wiring's all still nice and clean. This though, I'm trying to see where the hell did these clips go in. Ah, one's there. And then I think it's just make sure nothing else is getting touched. Oh fuck, it's got this rubber boot as well. That's one way to do it. Technique. Now this last piece, whacking this back on, like that. No, like that. No, like that. Fucking hell. Oh, you're joking. I've messed up. Big time. With that one. I didn't realise there was a clip point and I couldn't feed it through here because there's no gap. Okay, let's eliminate this clip. There we are. Now, we shouldn't have an issue anymore. See, but now obviously now because there's no clip there. But there is that and it's not grabbing it. Fuck's sake. I know I said I wanted it to look OEM, but because of that clip, I can't physically get that to be better in line than it currently is like that. And I'd rather that be an issue, which you only see when the boot's open, you don't even notice it, than having to feed that cable all the way through. No, I'm not doing that. I'd much rather leave it as it is.